Hello, friends. Welcome to yet another episode of Learn BA with Ellen. I'm happy to be back after a slightly long gap. Today, I'm going to describe a very interesting topic for all of us as business analysts. We all understand that the world has moved to mobile. The number of mobile devices has increased at least 100 times over last decade or so. Consumers and users want to use solutions and applications and web and internet through mobile. It gives them a lot of freedom. But at the same time, our prototyping tools have hardly kept up for this new world. We actually researched many of the tools which are considered to be very popular in the market, but they don't seem to be offering significantly much except for few icons. And they also don't help us in creating a nice prototype which looks identical to how things will look when we design it on a mobile platform. So here is an attempt, and what we did, we leveraged another very popular office tool, Microsoft Excel, to create fantastic UIs. So let me show you what we have been able to achieve and how you can do the same by just using simple Excel. So if you see here, we have two prototypes created, one for the portrait and one for the landscape. So how did we do it? So the trick is to actually get the height and width of all your rows and columns uniform. So you have to set the width as 2. So if I go back and just kind of show you what we have done. So if you see here, just leave it as it is, the row height. But what you have to do, the column width has to be set to 2. Once you do that, you actually get a nice chart paper like of design, and then in Excel the alignments are perfect. You can also do a little bit of navigation using Excel. So for example, just for heck of it, I will just try to take it to my next page. So I will just replace in this document, and I can show this, and when I click this I can actually come here, and when I click this I go back to my previous UI. Of course the Excel chart like design looks ugly when you're designing, but once you remove all this formula bar, headings and all that, it actually comes up quite neat. And then what you can do is to take a print screen, go to your Word document or wherever, and you basically can place it here. And suppose you have to truncate it, just use simple crop in Word or PowerPoint, whichever document you want to use, and then just do it. And I wish Excel gives a feature like view screen like we have in PowerPoint. That would be quite nice. And now you see how nicely we have got a prototype done for you. And in this prototyping tool, we also have given you plenty of icons, and you can add more icons as well if your application demands them. We already have close to 50 icons which you can use, and you can place them. Suppose you want to enable a webcam for taking the picture of a customer. So what you do, you go here and you basically click on it and then kind of make it a little small tiny icon and place it on top of this. Oh, sorry. So you can place it anywhere you like, and then, oh, somehow this icon is a little strange. So let me take another icon from this. Oh, this is MS Word. Sorry. I should have done it in my Excel prototype. Word is a bit peculiar. So I'll place it here. It's my icon. Oh, it's kind of here. So maybe make it a little bigger for myself. So this is where you want to take a snap of your customer, so you can actually keep it here. And then people understand that this is the buttons that you have designed, or whatever you want to design, you can very nicely design it using Excel. Okay, and we also gave you a portrait and landscape mode so that you can design it on both ways, how things look on portrait and how things look on landscape. Thank you.